Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Michael McCune, coming at you with another video. And yeah, today just gonna do my room tour here. Y'all, some of y'all wanted this. It gave me the idea of it. So I think I've done one of these in the past, but I can't remember when. But let's get into it. I'm gonna stop talking. Please like and subscribe, comment down below if you enjoy this video, and if you want any more of these in the future, I'll be happily to do it. So, because you know, I have shit over the years. I improved my shit. So, let's go. This is my TV. Of course. If you don't have a TV in 2023, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm just kidding. Yeah, HD, TV, smart TV. Samsung does it. Yeah. This is my DVD player. So my DVD player, it plays DVDs, Blu-rays. Doesn't play 4K, which is, I have some 4K horror films that I can't even watch in 4K. So, but yeah, nice DVD player. It's all region free though. That's what I like about it. It's my controller. Xbox Elite Series 2 controller case. That's my Xbox One. The first one that came out, all black. And we have my PS3 and a blue controller for it. That's my 3DS charger right there. That's an Xbox One controller. Over here we have my Xbox 360 controllers and my Xbox 360, and we have, man, need to dust this shit off. PlayStation Vita. I don't have a memory for it. I have one game for it, but you know, pretty dope. My Nintendo Switch. Dope. This is the battery to set on for the controller. Oh, right here. Sorry, y'all. This is for the Nintendo Switch controller cover thing. So yeah, that's all for this stuff here. This is my main setup too. But yeah, now we're gonna go over here on this side of the room. This is, you know, my desk. That's my clock, of course, but it's my window I look out of. Don't mind the curtains. They're gay as fuck. I know, trust me. These were already here when we moved here, and I just haven't got to really pick out a pair of curtains that I really care for. I don't care. I don't look at the curtains. Some DVDs down there, more DVDs in there. That tub. This is my theater room area, really. So, yeah, these are all horror movies mostly. Most of them all horror, because that's my favorite genre. Yeah, I've done plenty of reviews of these. The bottom shelf has my PlayStation 2 games, my PSP game, not PlayStation Vita, PSP. I used to have a PSP, but it broke. But yeah, Xbox 360 games down there, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, my PlayStation. This is my PlayStation Vita game, Killzone Mercenary or something like that. There's my 3DS games cases, my PS3 game cases down there. Neat. A little better sneak peek. Yeah. So, yep. Top up here. These are my South Parks. I love South Park. These are just all my favorite. Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4. My movies, you know, got all the Rambo, the Die Hard, Gunsmoke. If y'all don't know what Gunsmoke is, old Western movies. Terminator movies. The Dark Knight, the Batman movies. And then all my horror movie box sets. Got Terrifier 2 here, the Steelbook Blu-ray. I don't know if I showed y'all my new horror movie collection videos, but here's my other movies I have. Still have tons more, but yeah. And then there's the other a lot of Halloween family movies and other shit. Iron Man. I got tons more movies that I haven't put them out yet. And why are they like that is because if I have too many, they'll fall over. Because, you know, and I don't want that to happen. So that's the theater, really. This is the theater area. So where I pick out a movie, chill. I know my finger's in the way. Sorry, y'all. But yeah. Now over here behind me is blank. I had a bunch of wrestlers standing there. They all fell. So yeah, dirty as fuck, dusty as fuck. I need to get it clean. I know. I'm not ashamed to admit. But yeah, it's nothing really. This is my bed. My Michael Myers 2018 mask. Now over here is my retro gaming area. This is one of my favorite things in my room right here. Pine cones, don't ask me why. Fucking, they're from different types. They're different types of pine cones. But yeah, I'll show you why I have a beer bottle here in a minute. Alright, but this is my older TV. As in, no, it's not a box TV from when I was a kid, but there's my Michael Myers poster. No matter how fast you run, I can walk faster. There's my Dean Ambrose autograph John Moxley, aka John Moxley. He was in WWE. It's a real autograph too, by the way. But yeah, this is my Atari 2600. A lot of y'all probably don't know what an Atari 2600 is. It's old ass game system from the 70s. This is the one that has built-in games, so I want the actual real one. But this is my HDMI splitter. It has all my, like, any system I want to play. I press one of these buttons here, like that. If you can read, it says I have stickers on here. Yeah, I'm dusting with my fingers. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you. Suck a dick. But it says Atari 2600, Nintendo Entertainment System, PlayStation, aka PlayStation 1, Sega Genesis, PS2, GameCube, and Xbox, the first one. So that's exactly all I have here. And here's my Wii. Sadly, I don't, do I have it connected? Well, I don't even have my Wii connected. Well, it's connected, it just, I got an HDMI thing for it. That's what this thing is. That's why. So, but it's mostly for the RCA cables, so. But yeah, Atari 2600, my HDMI splitter, TV, Wii sensor, Nintendo Wii. I got the red Mario, Super Mario Special Edition. really, really, really cool. Really good souvenir from my childhood. Nintendo NES. Love this thing. I wish I grew up on it more. But my Sega Genesis. Again, I wish I grew up more on that. I will show you all my games if you guys want to. I'll do a separate video. There's my GameCube down there. Why it's plugged in a second slide is because this first one's broken. So I got it off eBay for like $100, 100 and something, 120. There's my original Xbox with the blue controller, and down there's an extra controller. Came with two. Got it off eBay, $150. So it came with a bunch of games, as you see. Really good price. On PlayStation 2, that's the console I grew up on the most. PlayStation 1, yep. So, but back to the beer bottle. If you guys, back to the beer bottle. It fucking blared out, I think. But the beer bottle, if you guys don't know who the Angry Video Game Nerd is, you have to watch him. Cinemasker, James Roffle, you know, funny ass fucking YouTuber that reviews all these consoles and games for all these old systems. He's funny as fuck. I actually had the Angry Video Game Nerd from my 3DS. Yeah, trust me, own games out. So this is my retro area, really. Yeah. I love it. It's pretty dope. Let me know if you want me to do a review, separate review on all my old games and stuff. I'll do that. I'll make a video of that. My desktop fucking, well, you could say desktop dresser. Yeah, fucking, it's a mess. So, and this is just my closet, and you know, everything else. I got an extra closet in here. It's another walk-in closet. So yeah, a bunch of my shit in there. So, but yeah. Anyways, guys, this is basically my room. I like it. I got my Friday the 13th poster. Over here. I have a couple other posters that aren't hung up. That I don't know where to hang them, but I got this a long time ago at this place. It's a flea market, Hartville Flea Market. It's in Ohio. I got this picture of The Undertaker versus Shawn Michaels at WrestleMania 25. Yeah, that shit is, I've had that since I was a kid. It's old as fuck. But yeah, I think y'all I thought y'all would enjoy this. You probably will. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Please like and subscribe for more. Peace out.